This is an open letter to Donald Trump, to MAGA, to the Republicans, and the whole regime, to the Democrats even, and to ICE agents, and also to the rest of us that are fighting right now. First, to Donald. I have channeled messages to you from the mother of your children, Ivana, from your brothers, Fred and Robert, and from your sister, Marianne. I have also channeled messages from your parents, Fred and Mary. They are not happy with you. They're not happy with what you've become. And one quote that Freddie had that stuck with me was, "You became the man that Dad wanted, but not the man the world needs." I am a spiritual, not religious, but spiritual person. So I always believe that there is a chance for everyone at any time to have some level of redemption. That if you're helping go towards healing at any point, you're moving things in that direction. So if you were to right now tell the truth, come clean, and help us fight against this bigger thing that you're obviously just the head of, but you're also a bad head of, then that will go a long way. Let me stick to my writing. Sorry, I'm going off script. It's not too late for you. As your family urges you in their messages, check my other videos for the channeled messages from them. Tell the truth now. You won't get full forgiveness from everyone, but you will do good for the one time in your life by coming clean now. You are nearing the end of your earthly life. I believe your soul will live on, and you will have to feel the way that you made others feel in your lifetime. So all the way that you made people feel, all the fear, all the rage, betrayal, hurt, yeah. You won't just witness it either. It's not like you're watching a movie. You actually feel exactly the way you made other people feel. And this is from people who've had near-death experiences where they're clinically proven dead and they come back and they talk about experiences that they've had. Almost all of them that have a life review, they explain the life review this way. You're not watching a movie, you're actually feeling it from everyone's perspective. And you affected millions of people's lives. And most of them, the vast majority, negatively. So just remember that. Think about that, what you're going to be feeling. If you spend the end of your life ripping the lid off of the corruption that you benefited from, you will do so much good for the people in this country and the world. But we're not waiting for that either. To those who have seized power and to those who stood by and watched, we see you. To all the grotesque parade of enablers, grifters, the cowards, the warmongrels in suits and robes, you will not rewrite the story of this nation without reckoning with its soul. You may think you've stolen time, air, lives, but the truth is patient. It does not forget. It etches itself into the bones of the living, the disappeared, and the unborn. You have tried to make cruelty normal. You have turned cages into policy. You've profited off of division, and still you smile, and you still beg for applause. To ICE agents, you have enforced inhumanity in the name of order. You have ripped children from mothers, desecrated the sacred bond of family, and acted as the fist of a broken empire. Just doing your job is not an absolution. The world is watching. The ancestors are watching. And the future will not carry your shame quietly. To the Democratic Party, you have failed us in other ways, through silence, through appeasement, through playing a rigged game and calling it compromise. You protected decorum while fascism grew teeth. You hosted panels while black and brown bodies were buried. You raised funds while the rights were stripped. You confused branding for backbone. We do not need polished speeches. We need protection. We need policies rooted in justice, not performance. And we need it now, not in 2 years, not in 10, now. So now, to the architects of what comes after this fall, know this: we are not begging for crumbs. We are not rising for the whole feast. We are not here to patch up a dying system. We're not doing CPR in the old. No. We are here to reimagine it. You are not here to lead us, talking to the establishment. You are here to serve us or step aside. You are not the saviors. We are. The teachers, the single mothers, the queer kids who know how to build new language, the refugees who crossed both borders and belief systems, the indigenous protectors who never left the land, the artists and the farmers, the healers and the hackers, the tired, furious, broken-hearted ones who still believe in the dream, and not the lie of America, but the soul of it. This country is not yours to claim. It belongs to the people. It belongs to the earth. And yet, the yet to be born. We don't want seats at your table. We're building a new table. And it will not include fascists, collaborators, or cowards. This letter, it's not a plea. It's a prophecy. The arc is bending. And you will not outrun the weight of what you've done. And finally, a channeled message from the watchers beyond. We are not myths. We are not distant dreams. We are civilizations beyond yours, witnesses to your rise, and now to your reckoning. We do not intervene lightly, but we are here. There are factions among you who seek to enslave your species through fear, control, and erasure of truth. They believe Earth is forgotten. It is not. Those who still carry light in this darkness, we walk beside you. We protect more than you know. There is a frequency to justice. It echoes across galaxies. And Earth is singing it now, louder than ever. Do not lose heart. The shift is real. The rat is being revealed, and the false kings will fall. Hold your line. Stay awake. You are not alone. And now from the first people, from the souls of the first people. We never left. Our bones are in the rivers. Our songs are in the wind. Our languages were beaten but not broken. This land does not belong to you. You belong to it. We have witnessed the rise of empire and its many masks. We have been called extinct, erased, and made myth, but we are the memory keepers. The soil remembers. Every stolen child, every vanished sister, every desecrated waterway cries out for balance. That call is being answered. To those who are building the new world, walk gently, but do not walk small. Reclaim your sacred role. Protect what cannot speak in your courts. And remember, the earth is alive, and she is watching too. Signed, the Sky People, the Children of Revolution, the Flame Keepers, the Rememberers, and those who guard the earth from the stars. You are being watched.